Want to know how to set up or change your preferences in AngelList or Well Found? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AngelList website, which is now renamed to wellfound.com. So once you've opened it up, here you should be logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So changing your preferences is super simple. On the leftmost side right below home, you should be seeing your profile, just simply like that. And now once you're under your profile, here you should be seeing preferences. Just simply select preferences. Now once your preferences load, you should be able to edit your preferences and change them accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily change your preferences in AngelList. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.